Hello दोस्तों, this is Amit Saha and welcome to my channel Bright Side Institution. This is a Java tutorial and welcome to the video series of Java tutorial. This video is for the beginners who want to learn Java programs. So welcome to all BBA, BCA, BTech computer science students. In this video, I will guide you step by step that what components you require in your computer system and installation of JDK files, setting path of JDK and what ID you required. After that you will write your very first program in Java. So दोस्तों इस वीडियो तो एंड तक देखिएगा एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब अस। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Hey there everyone, this is my computer screen. So before move on to the Java section, you first need to know what components you should install in your computer system and from where to install it. So let's see. So at first you need to install JDK components, that means the Java development kit, and you need to install JRE, the Java runtime environment, and ID is required to run your Java programs. So but the one interesting fact is you should not install JRE components manually, because when you are trying to install JDK components, the JRE components will install automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. So let's see from where to install it. Okay, I am going to my favorite browser, Google Chrome. You can go anywhere, any favorite browser, maybe it's Mozilla Firefox, maybe Internet Explorer, whatever it is. So after that, just search JDK download. Okay, I think I have to zoom a bit. Okay, now you can see it. Just write JDK download and hit enter. After that you can see a lot of links are there, but just click on the first link, Java AC downloads Oracle Technology Network. Just click on the first link. Come on. Okay, after that you can see a lot of things are there, so you don't have to worry about anything. Just you can see a little Java icon here. Here's written download, and just little below you can see the Java platform JDK 12. Just click on that and it will start downloading your Java JDK components. So, and it's not a big deal. I'm not downloading it because already I have installed in my computer, so I'm not downloading it right now. But you click on the link and it will start download. You also don't have to worry about the download link because मैंने description box में दे दिए है. Now see after downloads how it looks. Okay, after download the JDK components will look like this icon, and you can double click on that icon. Its approximately size is 160 MB. Now double click on this JDK. Come on. Okay, now you can see that. This software, it's saying that the software has been already installed on your computer. Would you like to install it? No, obviously no. I don't want like to reinstall it again. Actually it's installed in my program, installed in my system, so I'm not really installing it. But double click on that JDK icon and you can install it. The installation process is not a big deal. Just next like other installation process, and after that you can successfully complete your installation process. But the problem is after installation your Java program may not work or may not run because maybe the path is not set. So you have to set your JDK path. That means you have to say your Java, yes, this is your path, now you can run that. So how to set the JDK path? Let's see. First go to this PC, on your PC, and go to C drive. After going to C drive, click on the program files, not the program files x86, just click on the program files and find Java. See, I found my Java and double click on the Java, and you can see the two components are there, JDK and JRE. Just double click on the JDK, double click on the bin, and you can see the lot of things are there, java.exe, javac.exe. You don't have to worry about the thing, but you need the path. So see my mouse pointer and click there. After clicking this, it will convert into like this, and right click on your mouse and click copy. So now you can copy it. Now you can close your file. After that, go to your search bar and search for control panel. Okay, now control panel, in the search bar of the control panel, search environment variable env. Okay, I think it's given. Okay, environment variable यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, आप देख सकते हैं. Just click on the third one, edit the system environment variable. Click on that, and you can see that's advanced option, and click on the environment variable here, and after that you can see the path here. I'm clicking this c/program file/java/jdk 1.8.0. This 1.8.0 is the JDK version. It's maybe not same from your version. Maybe your version is 12.0.7, maybe your version is 11.0.7. so you don't have to worry about that, but make sure your JDK path is selected like that. If it's not selected or if it's not set like that, so click on new, give this a variable name as a path, and you will do this variable name and set your variable value only when the path is not selected like that. So in variable value, right click and paste it. See, whatever I copied there in the program files in Java and the JDK, see the path is copied here, and click OK. I'm not clicking OK right now because my path is selected. If you don't have path like that, so you can give the variable name as a path and the variable value you can copy from that. I'm cancelling it right now. After the selecting path, click OK here, click OK there. Okay, now close your control panel. So दोस्तों, now go to the command prompt here. cmd command prompt. Okay, command prompt open, and write here java space dash version. If your path is selected, your path set, your JDK is installed successfully, and your path is set successfully, then go to command prompt and write java dash version and hit enter. Now you can it will show you the details of your Java version. Mine is 1.8.0. it's maybe your is 12.0.7, the latest version, whatever it is. But after if it's showing this Java version and the details, that means your JDK components installed successfully. So let's test this, guys. Just write a Java program, the classical hello world program, your first program in Java. So let's test. Okay, now I'm opening my notepad. You can use your IDE. अच्छा, आप IDE के बारे में मैं बाद में बताता हूँ, बस पहले just write the first Java program. I'm opening my notepad. I'm writing there public class. This is the format, just follow me. You have to write this format for all Java programs, so follow me. And the class names would be can be anything. It maybe your name also. I am writing here hello, just public class hello. And now public static void main. And string args. So by default Java function take the values in the string, so you have to write it string args. This is the format you have to follow it for the every Java programs. And now I'm writing system.out.println, and this command system.out.println is for the printing function, printing anything. You can print anything, whatever you will write inside the system.out.println, it will print like print the same. System.out.println. I'm writing hello world, or maybe hello bright side institution. After the writing that, you must give a semicolon there, otherwise your program will give you a syntax error. And why this two curly braces here? One curly braces is for the closing the main function, and another one is the closing the class. So I'm writing, I wrote the your first Java programs here, and I am saving it. So dosto, mind it, you have to save it in .java. By default it's in .txt, so remove it. And one thing you have to keep in your mind, the class name and your file name should be same, otherwise your Java program may not work. So my class name is hello, so I am writing here hello.java, and it should be in desktop. I am saving it on the desktop, clicking here and click save. Okay, to see the output you have to go to the command prompt again. I'm closing this. I'm going to the CMD. So the command is javac. Okay, my program may not work because it's in C users .cloud. .cloud is my computer name, so by default आपके computer name के ले लेगा. So आपने जिस जहाँ पे अपने का फाइल सेट किया हुआ है वहाँ पे जाना पड़ेगा. मैंने अपना फाइल डेस्कटॉप पे सेव किया हुआ है, तो आई एम गोइंग टू माई डेस्कटॉप. आई एम चेंजिंग द डायरेक्टरी, CD for change directory. I am changing the directory to desktop. Click OK. Now it's in desktop, and right now javac for Java compilation space your file name hello.java. Hit enter. Now it's compiling. Okay, now it's compiled. Now again write Java space hello. Hit enter. Now you can see your classical hello world program run. Or maybe classical hello world, hello bright side institution, you can see there. Okay, congratulations, you wrote your first program in Java. Congratulations. So दोस्तों, अभी हम बात करते हैं IDE के बारे में. What IDE is? So I'll prefer you always to use IDE, because in a notepad I'll prefer the IDE, because your IDE is smart enough to understand the codes, what you actually want to write, and it will always give you a suggestion. Okay, I'm opening my favorite browser, Google Chrome again, and searching here IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ IDEA is a good IDE, or IntelliJ IDEA download. It's a good IDE, and hit enter. And click on the first link, download IntelliJ IDEA, the Java IDE Professional from JetBrains. You also don't have to worry about the link, because I'll give you the link on the description box. You can download it from you can download it directly. And you can see there the three options are there: Windows, Mac OS and Linux. If you have an Apple laptop or desktop, you can select Mac OS. You have a Linux operating system, you can select Linux. Mine is Windows 10, so it's by default taking, and it's selected Windows. So नीचे आप देख सकते हैं two download links are there, ultimate and community. You should download community, because if you don't want to pay for this actually not a free. Ultimate is for the free trial for some days, maybe 30 days free trial, and community is the free, it's open source, it's free. So download on the community section. and it will start downloading. After download, you can install it. Installation process is not a big deal again. You can just like the other installation process, accept the license terms and conditions, then click next, select your path, then next, and it will you can successfully finish your installation process. Okay. Okay, after installation, you can see the IntelliJ IDEA will look like this. And this is a good platform for the Java and all other. It's a good compiler for Java, Python, and all other programming languages. So I'll prefer this. And in the next video, I will show you the simple calculator programs in Java, and after that if-else program, the looping concept, then the pattern programs and all. Congratulations guys, you wrote your very first Java program. So दोस्तों वीडियो अभी यहीं पे से ख़त्म करते हैं. In the next video I will tell you how to write a simple calculator program in Java, and so please follow me guys and please click on the subscribe button, and तब तक के लिए bye bye.